Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically boost likes and comments on any Facebook post. First, select one or multiple posts. Then convert them into UIDs. Copy the UID numbers of those posts. Next, go to the Seeding function section, choose Post Seeding, and paste the post UIDs into the Post UID list. After that, you can choose the type of reactions you want. Here, I'm selecting Random. Don't forget to tick the Random comment box. Select the comment content you've prepared beforehand. Finally, choose the list of Facebook accounts you want to use and click Start. The system will automatically log into those accounts and have them like and comment on your posts without any manual work. Everything runs completely automatically, saving you from wasting time repeating the same actions over and over again. You can use this feature for marketing purposes, to boost your sales campaigns, or even to provide an engagement service. If you find this tool helpful, feel free to contact me to get full instructions on how to use it. See you in the next videos.